Night, cold, about +1 or +2 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to crank my T5 after 6 months. Carver Wild cranked his big white Phoenix sub after 4 months and it was too much smoke. I'm going to crank my T5 after 6 months. The end of May, June, July, August, September, October and mid-November. 6 months. Okay, here it is. Glow plugs? Haha, no glow plugs. This is the gas engine, okay? Wow. That's what mean gasoline engine. Service engine soon. Who can believe it? Let's see. Working! Look at that. Ghost! It's a ghost under my head. Ah, shit, not good. Fly away, fly away. It's working! It's alive after 6 months of hard work. You can't see something because too dark. Okay, thanks for looking.